I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single.
Good morning and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you subscribe and stick around. I've got lots more content like this coming. Today I'm going to bring you guys along with me and you're going to get to see what it's like to walk in my shoes. I am a stay-at-home mom to two sweet baby boys, and on this day I did get up before they did and was able to get a lot of chores done in my kitchen. I started out by cleaning out my refrigerator, as you saw, and now I'm unloading the dishwasher. I do like to load the dishwasher and run it at night so the next morning I can empty it out and start new. And you will see when I'm putting away our coffee cups, I am overflowing with Disney mugs. Does anybody else have that problem? Every time we go to Disney, we get Disney mugs because we do get the dining plan. And I think we probably have every color available now, and I'm going to have to figure out a new organization system for them. But I do clean up my kitchen first thing of the morning. I like to start my day with a clean kitchen. At this point, I hear little footsteps coming down the hall, which means my babies are awake. So I get in some morning snuggles with them as we watch some TV. This is my favorite part of the day. When the boys first get up, they're happy and rested, and I just love those sweet morning baby snuggles.
Till we grow old, just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire.
Now it's time to fix breakfast for the boys. This is going to sound odd, but they love ramen noodles. And it's not odd that they love ramen noodles, it's odd that they love them for breakfast. They don't eat them for lunch or supper, but they love them for breakfast. If you ask them each morning what they want for breakfast, it's always usually going to be soup. That's what they call it. So I always crumble up the noodles first because it just makes it easier for them to eat them. And then while I fix breakfast, I multitask and finish up my chores.
I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is
Unfortunately, the boys have been sick. They have ear infections and upper respiratory infections. So Leo has been having to use a nebulizer during the day. So I'm just organizing that and all the supplies into this Dollar Tree plastic basket that I got. And I think it just looks so much better than everything being strung across the kitchen countertops. Now I'm moving on to cleaning my countertops and wiping everything down. I do this after every meal because I just feel like cooking just gets a film over everything. So I wipe down my kitchen at least 3 times a day. I am vacuuming and then I mop, and my clip of mopping is gone. I must have accidentally deleted it. But I did mop my kitchen after I vacuumed. So I'm starting the day with a nice clean kitchen, and I feel like that just makes your whole house feel cleaner. I did already take down my Halloween decorations, and on this shelf I replaced the trick or treat wooden sign with just a picture of the boys, and I just really like how it's neutral but still has that touch of fall with the pine cones and the orange pumpkin owl, which I love him. Next, I'm going to move on to my decluttering task for the day. I don't get to do one every day, obviously, but today I had time and I decided to tackle our hall closet. This closet used to be a coat closet, but it is in the hallway upstairs, which is out of the way for us. We live in a split foyer home, so we're coming in and out downstairs in the laundry room, so that's where we keep our coats and our shoes. So we took the rod out of this closet and my husband installed these shelves. So I use this as a storage closet. I keep cleaning products and party supplies. I do keep party supplies that I've made in the past just in case we want to reuse them. But I'm going to be going through and decluttering this stuff along with the cleaning supplies and just getting this closet organized.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting glass after glass. I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. Sing for me, darling, it's been quiet for a day now. Can't bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
I got the closet all cleaned out and organized, and I think it looks so much better. I'll be able to find everything so much easier now. I didn't mess with the top shelf because that is my husband's stuff that he uses around the house, and I'll let him clean it out, organize it, so he'll be able to find his things. Plus, I can't reach that shelf, so I just skipped it. The second shelf is extra party supplies and then some household things that I use upstairs when I need to. Moving down to my cleaning supplies, I organized them a lot better. I combined things that were almost empty and threw away the empty bottles. This is my extras basket, just extra things that I have, my back stock, and then refills. Then moving over, I have my Swiffer pads, dry and wet. And then this is my cleaning caddy that I carry around from room to room when I am cleaning. I keep all of my cleaning stuff in it. I have my spray bottles of, that's Windex and paper towels, Lysol, and then my tub and tile cleaner that I use in my bathrooms. Tough and Tender cleaner that I can use on any type of surface. It smells delicious, by the way. And then I have my air freshener spray. I'm almost out of. One more use of that, it'll be gone. And then my toilet bowl cleaner is the purple bottle. And then I have a cloth, a dusting cloth in the back that I use. I need to get some more dusting spray. I think I'm out, so I'll have to replace that. That was the only thing that I'm out of, though. But keeping everything clean and organized will help me keep up with what I need to purchase as well. This is my specialties bucket. Stainless steel cleaner, my stovetop cleaner, and then my TV screen cleaner, along with some extra walnut sponges that I got from Grove. I've never used those, but I just keep them in there. So that's just, I can whip that out when I need to clean things that I don't clean every day, but once or twice a week. Then moving down to party supplies, and you can probably hear the boys behind me. They're playing. Mama's got to work when she can, and they're just sitting here playing behind me, so you might be able to hear them in this voiceover. So I really like the way the closet turned out, and it looks so much better. This is a day in the life video, but you guys are probably thinking, this is more of a clean with me video, but I do a lot of cleaning every day. I take care of my boys, and I take care of our home. That's my job. So there's a lot of cleaning involved. I put Taylor down for a nap, and then Leo helped me with the laundry. After that, Leo ended up taking a nap as well. And then after nap time, it was lunch, and then the boys had to have a snack. And they're snackers. So they ate one of these little Lunchable crackers, ham and cheese meals with the Oreos. And then I had to do some editing. And as I'm editing, I'm finishing Leo's other snack, his apple he didn't eat. So I edited, and then it was time for my husband, and we started dinner.
You break down, you're drained now, your heart pounds, your lips move, your eyes shine, you lose it all. I'll just wait here.
After supper, I did start my nighttime routine, and some evenings I like to do this before I get the boys ready for bed, and that way when they're down I can just relax and rest. So I went ahead and took my makeup off, combed out my hair, and I did take a shower before bed. I always love taking a shower before bed. And then I put on my rose spray and my face lotion, and I am ready for a relaxing evening. I headed on into the living room and watched some TV with my 3 guys before we called it a night. I hope you guys enjoyed this day in the life video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Have a great night, and I will see you next time.